My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Hello and good evening, or whatever time of the day it may be. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. If you're new, welcome. Thanks for coming to the neighborhood. What did Mr. Rogers used to say? I can't remember. But if you're not new, what's up fam? Thanks for joining me again. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy Glam bag. So normally I would wait and do it with my Ipsy Plus, and I actually usually get my Ipsy Plus before my regular Ipsy, but I'm going to take advantage of the fact that I got this sooner than I ever get any of my subscription boxes. I swear, I'm always the last to get my boxes. People will be uploading like a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I haven't even got the tracking number for mine yet. So yeah, we're gonna see what's in it. And if you would like to see what I got for April Ipsy Glam bag, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want, you can subscribe. If you don't, it's whatever. I'll be okay. And then, I'm just kidding. Alright, let's see what I got. I missed the Ipsy choice this month because I was sick. So I hope I still got some good stuff. Oh, there's a few things that are not in the bag. So here is this month's bag. I like this little like wooden ring here. It's cute. Okay, let me talk about the things that were not in the bag first, and let me get my little info card. Full Bloom. Alright, the first product is Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Lightweight water gel moisturizer. So retail value of the full size is $60. This is 0.25 ounces. I like Murad as a skincare brand. I mean, it's not like my absolute favorite, but they have good products. I'm not the biggest fan of water gels because I am really dry and I need a very hydrating moisturizer. Gel moisturizers are more geared toward people with like oily or combo skin because it doesn't give them any excess oil, but it moisturizes. So clearly they didn't read my profile that I had dry skin. Okay, the next product, I love and will always love getting brushes. So it is this Luxie 209 Large Shader Summer Days Tan Brush. So it has like a gradient from like a beige to a pink, and retail value of this is $12. It's good. I really wish they would stop sending me like shader brushes though. I literally like, this is almost exactly the same thing. This is another Luxie brush that I got from Ipsy. Like, they're legit the same thing. I'll use it still, but I'm just saying. Alright, next we have Tony Moly Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. This gel to water cleanser is made with natural fragrances and mild surfactants that won't make your skin feel tight and dry. Gel to water cleanser. The retail value of the full size is $13.50. This is 0.5 ounces. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh, the next product is this Orgia Beauty Foiler Alert Metallic Eyeshadow in Rosé. Hell yeah. So, this rose gold shade is so perfect for the season, and the liquid texture is highly versatile. It can be used with or without a primer and built up to give your lids intense mirror-like shine. Full size is, I'm thinking this is full size. This is pretty big. It's 0.27 ounces is $25.95. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. I love me my cream eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows. I do. Ooh. That is super pretty. Yes. Okay. And the last product is, okay. This Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in Courage. So full size is $20. This is a mini, and I really do like this lipstick formula. I actually included one of them in my March favorites. I had gotten one from Influencer. It's very, very like smooth and creamy and hydrating, but opaque and long wearing at the same time. Oh, what a gorgeous color. It is beautiful. All right, let me reflect. I love the liquid eyeshadow. I love the lipstick. I like brushes, even if they've already sent me the exact same one. Not thrilled about the water gel. I'll give it to my friend. She has oily skin. And I'll have to see how I feel about the gel to water cleanser. Like, when you think water, you don't think like cleanser. You think like rinsing. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about my Ipsy, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy this month. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was something to help you smile and get through the day. Because aren't we all just doing our best to get through the day? I know I am. The struggle is real. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video.